So we have both ROCKERZ 330 Pro neckband. These come with 10 mm drivers, immersive audio, magnetic earbuds, then IPX5 water resistant. It's waterproof and premium ergonomic finish. And the color is navy blue. This is made in China. This is both, but it's made in China. They say the 10 minutes charging, 20 hours playback. So if you charge 30 minutes, you will have 60 hours of timing. Let's see how it is. The MRP is 2990, but I got it in discount. It's 1799. I'm posting link below in description so you can have a look and get some discount. Let's open this. What do they have inside? Ah, this is the neckband. This is cool. This is very soft, so it won't be itchy or painful to your ear. This is the band, neckband, and this is very soft material and very good material. You can just rock and roll. Then what else inside? User manual also will be there, but nobody read, as you know. This have the C type cable, C pin. It means it's very fast in charging. And they have some extra buds, too small, too big. They have the sticker, both head. Then this is user manual, which nobody read at all, so long. Let's throw this, use this. Then this is warranty card, 1 year warranty card. Then this is also similar to user manual, how to charge. Don't care. Let's see the extra buds they have. It's also blue color, too small, too big, and too medium is inside. Let's try to connect it. It's a dual connect, so you can connect in two phones together. My Bluetooth is on. Let's just on it. Here you go. Yeah, the light is started. Now let's find in the phone. Let's scan. ROCKERZ 330 Pro. You can see ROCKERZ 330 Pro. Just pair it. Just pair. Just click on pairing. ROCKERZ 330 Pro, and it's paired. Now let's put it on. This is right, this is left. So let's just put it on. It's connected. It have 100% battery. Let's open YouTube and search for the song. Oh. Very clear sound. It's cool. Can hear outside also. It's cool. It's worthy. So you can just click on the link below in description and just buy it. So next time we will unbox something else. Let's see how. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the charging. Oh, this is C-type cable. Here is volume up, volume down, and its power. It also have the magnetic, so you can just close it. So whenever you are hanging it in your neck, you don't need to worry, it will just like that. It's nice, worth it. So guys, check it out and buy right now. Link is in below. It's too nice.